Hello, this is John Paul B. Espino, and this is a presentation I put together on presenting how to reduce your carbon footprint in the garden. Your garden is already the greenest part of your home, but that doesn't mean there isn't room for improvement. Taking steps like planting trees for shade to lower your household energy usage and switching to handheld gardening tools can cut down the amount of harmful gases you produce and help pave for a way of greener planet. You might be surprised by how big difference even small changes can make. Grow your own vegetables and fruits. Set aside one corner of your garden for tending a few small crops like tomatoes, strawberries, beans, peppers, and squash. Fewer trips to the grocery store will help you save money and fuel, as well as say no to plastic bags and packages that tend to pile up once you're there. Raising a selection of your own crops will also ensure that you always have fresh, healthy fruits and vegetables to eat. Make room for a patch of fresh herbs like rosemary, basil, cilantro, and other spices that you usually need. You then won't even believe that you'll have everything you need to put down a delicious meal. Fill in open spaces with trees, shrubs, and flowers. The less grass there is covering your lawn, the less gas you'll consume while mowing it. In addition, trees and other large plants absorb carbon and convert it into clean, breathable oxygen, which also helps to purify our air. Plant shade-producing trees near your home. A wall of natural shade can cool your home during summer and block cold winds in winter. Situate your trees near your fence line to establish a boundary or disperse them throughout your yard for more of forest effect. Trees can offer privacy and concealment when strategically positioned near windows, patios, property lines, and other open-well areas. Bring in more native plants that are well suited for your area. These species generally require less water and fertilizers and will have all the nutrients they need in surrounding soil. They're also more resistant to common pests, which means you won't be forced to saturate your lawn or garden with harmful pesticides. You can always consult a regional gardening handbook or use an online plant finder tool to learn what sorts of plants are indigenous and native to your area. Native plants play a vital role in supporting a flourishing local ecosystem around your community with the convenience of your backyard. Grass itself is an expected source of serious carbon emissions. Downsizing therefore not only has the potential to beautify your property but make it that much greener at the same time. Consider relocating your gardening hutch or work shed to one corner of your yard to cover up patches of unused grass. Decrease the overall size of your lawn. Put in a paved patio or picnic area to create some outdoor living space. Alternatively, you could add ornamental touches like man-made pond, rock garden, or bed of wildflowers. The idea is to limit the amount of space that has to be regularly mowed, fertilized, or sprayed. Buy or make a compost bin, or simply designate an out-of-the-way corner of your yard as a dump site. All you need is space about 3 square feet in size. You can throw anything that's biodegradable, including grass clippings, raked leaves, fruits and vegetable scraps, and even shredded newspaper or cardboard. Turn the compost frequently with a rake and keep it slightly moist to speed up the decomposition process. Never put meats, dairy products, or processed food items in your compost pile. The bacteria that accumulates when these items decompose can pose a serious health risk in your home. Apply mulch liberally around plants and trees to conserve water. Spread the mulch a few inches away from the base of your plants and water it thoroughly. Mulch promotes healthy growth, prevents runoff, and smothers weeds. It even insulates root systems during particularly hot or cold stretches of weather. Shredded hardwood pine straw and recycled leaf mulches are among the most popular varieties used by environmentally conscious gardeners. Avoid piling your mulch any higher than 3 to 4 inches. Too thick, a layer can interfere with the absorption of water and nutrients of your plants. Stop using chemical fertilizers and pesticides. This product contains chemicals that may be harmful both user and surrounding environment. If you want to be more mindful of your cultivation practices, switch to all natural organic fertilizers and pesticides or learn how to make your own from basic household items. Make use of handheld tools whenever possible. There are plenty of opportunities to go green while tending to the sweat-inducing work in your garden. Leave the gas-powered tools in the garage and start raking leaves and pulling weeds by hand. You can even downgrade to a push mower to keep your lawn tidy while getting a workout. Invest in a soaker hose. Traditional irrigation systems like sprinklers are responsible for a lot of wasted water. With a soaker hose, you're only giving your plants as much moisture as they can absorb at a time. And since the water is being deployed from ground level at an extremely low pressure, there's less chance of overwatering or causing destructive runoff. Keeping your electric and gas-powered equipment in good condition. Getting in the habit of performing routine maintenance on your tools, replace oil filters in regular intervals, and have cutting blades or sharpened or changed as soon as they start to dull. By keeping your motorized equipment running efficiently, you can reduce overall energy consumption. Collect and store rainwater in barrels. Set up your barrels near your garden so that you'll always have fresh supply of water close at hand. You can always use this water to fill watering cans and give dirty plants and crops just as much moisture as they need rather than letting the hose run intermittently. Install solar landscape lighting to conserve energy. Solar lights get their power directly from the sun, so they won't put up drain on your local electricity on your wallet. As a bonus, most types come equipped with dimness sensors, so you'll never have to worry about forgetting to turn them on and off. If you really want to go the extra mile, you can look for natural alternatives to commercial gardening supplies. The energy that goes into manufacturing, packaging, and transporting these products also contributes indirectly to your carbon footprint. You can also utilize planters and waste containers made from recycled materials or rig up your own repurposed objects like boxes or tires. I'm John Paul B. Espino, and that's how you reduce carbon footprint in the garden. Thanks for watching.